Discover the process of using web sources with View Studio. Web sources are dynamic assets, similar to NDI feeds, fetching content in real time from the source. Click the Add Asset button and switch from File to Web Link. Enter the URL of the content you want to display and click Add Web Source. The link will be added to your library. Tap on the asset to display it, and the content will load on your screen. Use the left and right arrow keys to navigate through slides or images. This is ideal for presentations like PowerPoint or Google Slides. View Studio also supports video playback from web sources. For example, adding a web link for a YouTube video will fetch the thumbnail and title. You can play the video with real-time preview and controls for scrubbing, play and pause, and looping. All the usual color adjustments and transform controls are available, providing full flexibility over your web-based content. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.